But with all that technology, people also worry about losing the human touch. So that brings me to the very next question, which is asked, like talked about everywhere these days. The fear that AI will replace agents and advisors. How do you make sure technology actually supports people instead of replacing the human connection? You must have seen. We all have
Oh,
seen that. This
Sorry, I
is
love the question. This one is really right on the bullseye. Okay, many markets across the globe, including an Indian market, the heart of insurance distribution have been the traditional agents which operate. Okay, insurers have evolved. Evolution has happened over in last 2 to 3 decades, where tech has played a role and will continue to play the role. But
right.
that human touch, which you rightly said, today at 11 in the night or 7 in the morning, an Indian customer still believes, I want to go back to my agent and tell him, hey, I have this problem, I want this. My agent will come back to me and give me that personalized service. But the fear at the same
Yeah.
point of time for the agent community across the globe is that, will
Right.
technology kill us in real sense, and will our livelihood go for a toss? The
Correct.
answer is how the insurers community at a large
Hmm.
don't kill the legacy channel and make AI enabled for this legacy channel to raise their bar of distribution.
Right.
Today, an agent just operates on a phone call or a physical document and gets the policy done by sending somebody to the customer's home or going personally, going to the insurer's office, submitting it. Somewhat of tech solutions are being used of insurers by agents in this market and different markets. But if AI can actually bridge about the gap of how to sell effectively, how to communicate effectively, that what is the product, what are the likelihood of the claims coming in, how to capture that information and give it to the insurer for his regulated compliant way of accepting a proposal form and then issuing the premium policy. AI will have to bridge that gap and be the catalyst and complement the agency channel. And therein, insurers, with which Health has spoken in recent past also, have come back and said that this remains our key channel. Okay, while tech may evolve, take a tier 2, tier 3, tier 4.
Right.
Agents are not that techno savvy that they will use your iPads or smartphones and get everything organized on a click of a button. But if AI can help them to do this effectively,
Right.
the agent will believe that the insurance community at large is being taken care for us, and our job is becoming far more quicker and smarter through technology.